Jeep says its new electric Wrangler concept goes 0 to 60 in 2 seconds, matching Tesla's $136,000 car. I'm just going to shut up. I'm getting out of your way, Will. I am getting out of your way. I'm pushing my mic arm.
No, I didn't read this. So I just looked at the picture in the title.
Okay, but how much does this Jeep cost?
Well, it's got to be less than $136,000. But no, the reason I thought Will was going to take the reins on this
is because of the vibe that it gives.
Mr. Bronco.
Yeah. Adventure.
Willy Bronco.
Yeah, I mean, it does look really cool.
Go ahead.
It seems like it's meant for rock crawling.
Yeah.
With the big tires. But maybe they'll make like I don't know, like a regular city version of it.
Oh, you're saying this is too rugged for you?
It looks very rugged.
Yeah, but you're very rugged.
I don't know about that.
No,
I just like drain plugs, all right?
Yeah.
That's pretty rugged.
Yeah.
Dog in the bathroom is pretty rugged.
Oh, my God.
Jeep unveiled the Wrangler Magneto.
Magneto 2.0.
Whoa, what a name. Magneto versus Optimus. The Magneto 2.0 has a manual transmission and more than 600 horsepower. The one-off vehicle may indicate what to expect in the future electric Wrangler. Okay, so this vehicle is old school. Manual transmission, gas. But they're saying, hey, it may be insight into the eventual electric Jeep.
Oh, so this is not an electric Jeep.
Not what
they called it the Magneto.
Probably, maybe they just put the gas-powered equivalent to generate similar amounts of power to what you'll expect.
But the body will be
when the
similar.
electric one is ready. Jeep on Friday unveiled an incredibly quick battery-powered spin on its classic Wrangler SUV, the Wrangler Magneto 2.0. As its name suggests, a redesigned version of a similar concept. So the 2.0 is the electric aspect. The regular Magneto was the high horsepower gasoline equivalent.
Oh, okay.
The brand will show off the electric 4x4 and several other concepts at the Easter Jeep Safari, an annual gathering of off-road enthusiasts in Moab, Utah. Since the Magneto 2.0 is just a concept vehicle, it's more of a design exercise to understand consumer interest and preview some features rather than a production-ready model. Well, I can see that. But it looks a lot like Bronco, especially the two-door. I mean, I just saw one today.
Did you?
An orange one, and with a hard top. And the drain plugs. And the drain plugs.
Where is it?
Where is it?
And the two-door, it looks a lot like that. But, I mean, can they really deliver on a 2-second 0 to 60 in a vehicle like this? I don't know. I mean, it'd be incredible, obviously.
Maybe eventually. But they haven't shown any EV
It is a
tech.
tiny...
We got crazy numbers getting thrown around out here. We had the Lexus thing the other day. Now we have this. Higher amperage propulsion system enables the Magneto 2.0 to put out 850 pound-feet of torque and 625 horsepower and maintain peak power for 10 seconds, according to Jeep. Today's most powerful Wrangler, equipped with a 6.4-liter V8, claims 470 pound-feet. Well, yes, 470 horsepower. We don't have to compare because we know what electric does. We know what electric do. But that's the one piece that's missing in Willie Doo's future. He's got everything sorted out, drain plugs, Broncos, but no electric. And that creates some degree, like a small amount of panic inside of him. He's like, oh, man, by the time this gets delivered, do I wish I had something electric? And I tell him not to panic. I say, you've done the right thing here, Will. This is suitable for you.
Okay.
You're a rugged guy.
Right.
Don't you forget it. And for your lifestyle at the moment, this is what you need.
Right.
I tell him that all the time. He says, I don't know.
There's a lot of doubt with gas cars nowadays.
Well, man.
I really don't know.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm conflicted.
We touched.
I know. He's been thinking about it for a while.
We touched on it. No, everybody in the chat and in the comments, tell Will he's made the right move. He's Willy Bronco. He's Willy Bronco forever.